Now let's look at the benefits of offering salah. There are various benefits of offering salah. Salah is a way of life. It caters to the spiritual aspects of a human being and to the physical needs of the body. And salah, it increases your faith. It strengthens your faith. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, in Surah Anfal, chapter number 8, verse number 2. إنما المؤمنون الذين إذا ذكر الله وجلت قلوبهم وإذا تليت عليهم آياته زادتهم إيمانا وعلى ربهم يتوكلون. The true believers are those, when Allah's name is mentioned, they feel a tremor in their heart. And when His signs are rehearsed, it strengthens their faith. And they put their complete trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Fatiha, chapter number 1, verse number 5 to 7. إِيَّاكَ نَعْبُدُ وَإِيَّاكَ نَسْتَعِينُ. Thee alone we worship and Thee alone we ask for help. اهْدِنَا الصِّرَاطَ الْمُسْتَقِيمِ. Guide us to a straight path. صِرَاطَ الَّذِينَ أَنْعَمْتَ عَلَيْهِمْ. The path of those whom you are pleased with. غَيْرِ الْمَغْضُوبِ عَلَيْهِمْ وَلَا الضَّالِّينَ. Not the path of those who deserve your anger, nor of those who have gone astray. So salah, it teaches us discipline. A true Muslim, when he gets up in the morning and he offers the Fajr Salah, and the Muaddin says, As-salatu khayrun min an-nawm, that prayer is better than sleep, his morning starts early and he has a bright day. And when he offers different Salah at different intervals of the day, and he ends his day with the Isha prayer before going to sleep.